Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're on a plane today talking about L visas. So, what happens if you want to open up a new office in the United States? Well, it's a little bit different than if you have a company that either has more than a year or you purchase one that has more than a year. The regulations are stricter with a new office because they need to make sure that you're really going to be doing the business. So, immigration regulations do detail special provisions when a new parent, subsidiary, branch, or affiliate is opened in the U.S. and wishes to employ a manager or executive. Now, a new office is defined as an organization which has been doing business in the U.S. Through a parent, branch, affiliate, or subsidiary for less than 1 year. Now, because the new office must be doing business, of course you have to show that it's more than just the mere presence of an agent or an office. And to qualify for the new L-1, the petitioner must submit evidence that sufficient physical premises have been secured. You have to show the lease, all the pictures and everything to show that it's real. You have to show the beneficiary meets the 1 year continuous employment requirement and that the intended U.S. operation within 1 year will support an executive or managerial position. And you have to show the last requirement also, and that the petitioner must provide information regarding the proposed nature of the office, describing the scope of the entity, its organizational structure, its financial goals, the size of the U.S. investment, and financial ability of the foreign entity to remunerate the beneficiary and to commence business. Finally, the organization structure must show all the levels of people who will be working there and what their duties are. Now, a business plan projecting levels can be submitted. Normally that's what I do, and I actually submit it for not just the first year, but the first 5 years. A new office can only be approved for 1 year. Thereafter, it may be extended, showing that it is actually operating. And to determine the extension after the first year, immigration will look at the number of employees, significant growth in cash, and other items which would be normal for a business that's been growing for at least a year. Okay, more on the coming videos.